kids, welcome to my channel Creative Young Artist. Today we learn about where does honey come from. Have you ever tasted yummy honey? But do you know how bees make it? Let's find out. First is collecting nectar. Bee visit flowers and collect a sweet liquid called nectar. They store it in their honey stomach. Next is back to the beehive. The bees return to the hive and pass the nectar to other worker bees. Next is making honey. How the bees make honey. Bees dry out the nectar by fanning it with their wings. This turns into a thick golden yummy honey. Next is storing honey for later. As you see in the picture, bees store honey in special wax cells and seal it with beeswax to keep it fresh. Next, how do we get the honey then? Beekeepers. Beekeepers carefully collect honey from the hives, then filter and bottle it for us to enjoy the sweet honey. As you see in the picture. Now it's quiz time. What do bees collect from the flowers? Water, nectar, pollen. You are right. Nectar. Great job. You are a bee expert now. Now you know how bees make honey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.